the biggest request I get is how to build muscle. To answer this question, we must look at the most powerful tool that you have to build muscle. Training is one of the elements. Rest and recovery is another element. And your nutrition is the final and biggest element. Here is such a simple tool that will help you. If you are used to eating 4 meals per day, take the exact amount of food and divide that 4 meals into 6. Simple and very effective. Your training. If you are used to training a certain way, a certain rep range, a certain split, do it backwards. If you do chest on Monday, now you do chest on Friday. When it comes to your rest and recovery, you must go to bed 1 hour early. These 3 simple yet very, very effective tips will give you a glimpse on how much more progress you can make when you start to acquire and utilize the proper information. Here is a very small peek into the world of building muscle. Hope this helps, my peeps.